My name is Jeffrey Lefevre. I am the faculty for the Industrial Technology Trades program here at Northland Pioneer College. We've started that this year. This is the first year for this particular program. It used to be called Energy and Industrial Technician, the EIT program. You can still see the name out from the door. We're going to get that changed. Before, the program was pretty much set up to bring employees into the power plants as entry-level positions. As the power plants have kind of slowed down their operations and they're talking about closing, we wanted to create a program that took into consideration the industry as a whole. ITT program prepares students to be technicians, operators, and maintenance workers capable of understanding the entire industrial system within which they work. Core courses cover a range of complex related mechanical, pneumatic, hydraulic, electrical, thermal, and sensory control systems in an ever-changing industrial and energy production environment. NPC offers 5 areas of specialization within the program. Electrical and instrumentation specialization covers the principles and applications of a certified electrical and instrumentation technician whose job is to service and maintain electrical-related equipment, including high-voltage systems, pressure, temperature, level, flow, and measuring and recording devices used in computer-integrated manufacturing. HVAC specialization prepares students for careers in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, installation, troubleshooting, and repair. Major topics covered include electrical and mechanical principles, heating and cooling system maintenance, refrigeration systems, heat pumps, hydraulic systems, and control circuit and monitor and motor troubleshooting. Industrial Technology Trades provides a general foundation for a career in industry by teaching the foundations of power generation using fossil or alternative sources of energy. Other areas of focus are foundational principles of electrical and instrumentation, mechanical maintenance, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. The Power and Alternative Energy specialization prepares you to be a certified power plant operator focusing on plant safety, minor maintenance, reading diagrams, instrumentation and control measurement, plant boilers, turbines, water treatment, solar and wind generation technician, and air and water pollution control. Mechanical maintenance specialization prepares students to be a certified industrial maintenance mechanic, focusing on oxy-fuel cutting, pumps, valves, rigging, hydrostatic and pneumatic testing, high-pressure steam systems, laser alignment, gearboxes, and conveyors. Upon successful completion of the Industrial Technology Trades program, graduates will have entry-level career choices in a variety of the following areas: coal, gas, nuclear, solar, and wind energy, operations and maintenance, geothermal, hydroelectric power, operation and maintenance, methane, landfill, gas operation, industrial equipment testing and inspection. My favorite part about teaching students here is just seeing them be able to grow in the knowledge of the technology that's available now and to prepare them for jobs. My greatest joy would be to see them get great jobs in the field of industry and to have a part in that and be able to teach them the principles and the practices that make them great technicians.